Easy cooking for men and students. While it's true that some men are world-class chefs, perhaps not him, most of us are crap at cooking. I'm not blaming you or me. We started off on the lowest rung of the ladder. Our mums taught our sisters how to cook, but not us boys. Now our lovely nans cooked cakes with us, but we spent most of the time getting in a mess and scraping out the bowl and eating it. Of course, there was always an argument over who would get the icing bowl. So sooner or later we leave home without a clue on how to cook. I'm sure you've had some disastrous cooking experiences, so please share them with us. Mine are: a group of us guys clubbed together to do the cooking. One guy washed the potatoes using soap. Another burnt homemade burgers black. His excuse was, the only way they cook on the inside is when they are black on the outside. OK, we can buy takeaway, but a takeaway chicken pizza will cost £14.99. But at Tesco, a chicken pizza will cost £2.50. At Aldi, a chicken pizza is £2.49. And at Asda, a chicken pizza is £1.50. So to save yourself at least £10, all you have to do is take a frozen pizza out of the packet and put it in the oven for 20 minutes. You can buy a case of lager with what you save. But the fact is, we can't live on takeaways. They're delicious but expensive. This means we have to cook. Now, cooking should be an enjoyable experience. So how do we make it enjoyable? Now tell me, what is the first thing you do when having a barbecue? No. It is not like the barbecue. The first thing you do is open up a bottle of lager. Barbecues are fun. We drink beer, burn the burgers, and everybody enjoys it. And that is what Cooking for Men is all about. Cooking meals that are easy to cook, tasty, healthy, and enjoyable. Meals that even a man can cook. You have to hit the subscribe button to get the recipes.